Hello everyone. For this video, I'll be teaching you how to add table of contents into your document. So we'll be using the same document from the previous tutorial. So we wanted to add table of contents after our cover page. So let's add a blank page dito. So I'll click on this part here. Tapos I'll go to insert and then click on blank page. So dito natin ilalagay yung table of contents. Next is to go to References and then click on Table of Contents. So as you can see, may mga selection din siya on kung ano yung mga styling na gusto nyo. So for me, I'll just use this one, the classic style. As you can see, my error. It says, creating a table of contents, start by adding a heading style into the styles gallery to the selected text. Hindi malalagay yung content mo sa table of contents kung hindi ka nag-apply ng heading. So, what we need to do is to apply heading style into our playlist. Since ito yung gusto nating makita sa table of contents. So as you can see, ang table of contents, no table of contents entries found. So wala siyang entry. So para ma-solve ito, we need to add heading style first. So let's select the first playlist, MySQL or MySQL. Then I'll go to Home tab and then I'll click on heading 1. This one. And then since nawala yung numbering, i-click ko lang yung numbering button. So same for the second playlist. I'll select apply heading 1 and lagyan ng numbering. So for number 3, playlist, heading 1 and numbering. Fourth playlist, heading 1 and numbering. Take note na pwede nyong i-format itong heading 1. Pwede nyong liitan yung font size, change yung font style, or even the color. Pero for this example, hindi na natin gagawin. Next is for the upcoming playlist. Same, apply natin ng heading 1 and numbering. But this one, naka number 5. So we have to click here and restart numbering para mag number 1 siya. Kasi ibang list naman ito. So same, vb.net, heading 1 and numbering. And lastly, PHP programming, heading 1 and numbering. You can use any heading style, okay? Not just heading 1. Next is, let's update our table of contents. Click on this arrow here and update table. So as you can see, na-detect na niya yung entries na may heading 1 style. So I'll click on backspace para umakyat siya sa second page. And then let's move the contents down, third page. So as you can see, ang page 1 natin is the table of contents. Again, sabi ko kanina, table of contents shouldn't have a page number. So, gagawin natin, let's add a section break. So, bago yan, let's check muna the draft. Let's go to view, click on draft. As you can see, walang section break yung document natin. So what we need to do is click on page 1, go to layout, click on breaks, and click on continues. So itong continues na option, it inserts section break and start a new section on the same page. So after adding that, we can check sa view and then draft. May makikita na kayong section break na ganito. So meaning ng section break, you can add a different header or footer sa isang section and different header footer sa iba namang section. So for this topic, let's remove the page number in the footer area of the table of contents. So when we double click on the footer area, as you can see, may nakikita kayong footer section 1 and footer section 2. So first, we need to click on next. So as you can see, page 1 din siya, diba? Kasi ibang section naman siya. And then click on link to previews, meaning tatanggalin natin yung link from section 1, footer section 1 and footer section 2. So ngayon, pag dinelete natin tong page number sa footer ng section 1, hindi affected yung page number ng footer ng section 2. So let's close the footer. And now let's update our page number. So since itong first two topics ay nasa page 1, so dapat, let's click here again, update table, update entire table. Select one of the following options. So let's choose update entire table, then click on OK. So as you can see, na-update na yung page number. So when we click on each of these topics here sa table of contents natin, automatic pupunta tayo sa specific na topic na clinic natin. So yan yung advantage on using heading para sa table of contents. So as you can see, kung ibababa ko tong heading natin ng IT Toolbox on the next page, tapos update ko ulit yung table, ma-update din yung page numbering automatic. So that's how easy it is to add table of contents into your document. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.